Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to study chapter 1 of class 12 Namak Ka Daroga. Munshi Premchand has written this beautiful story. So this story we are basically going to see that nowadays we see around us that there are so many people who are greedy. People can do anything for money. On the other hand, there are very few people who are very honest and they are doing good things and they are earning money honestly. So in this story we are going to learn about a person who is very honest with his work, but because he is honest he has to face troubles when he encounters a person who is very influential. But in the end we see that honesty always wins, even though he has to pay a price, but for some time. So let's begin with the story. The story is really beautiful, but it's a bit confusing for some students because it becomes easy when somebody tells you the sequence of it. Okay, so let's get started. I'll just adjust my camera 1 minute. Yes. जब नमक का नया विभाग बना और ईश्वर प्रदत्त वस्तु के व्यापार करने का निश्चय हो गया तो लोग चोरी छिपे इसका व्यापार करने लगे। अनेक प्रकार के छल प्रपंचों का सूत्रपात हुआ। कोई घूस से काम निकलवाता था, कोई चालाकी से अधिकारियों के पौ बाहरते। पटवागिरी का सर्वसम्मानित पर छोड़ लोग इस विभाग की बकरदाजी कर रहे थे। इसके दरोगा पद के लिए तो वकीलों का जी भी ललचाता था। यह वह समय था जब अंग्रेजी शिक्षा और ईसाई मत को लोग एक ही वस्तु समझते थे। फारसी का प्रबल्य था। प्रेम की कथाएं और श्रृंगार रस के काव्य पढ़कर फारसी दो लोग सर्वोच्च पदों पर नियुक्त हो जाते थे। मुंशी वंशीधर भी जुलेखा की विरह कथा समाप्त करके मजनू और फरहाद के प्रेम वृत्ति को, नल और नील की लड़ाई और अमरोकी और आविष्कार के अधिक महत्व की बातें समझते हुए रोजगार की खोज में निकले। Okay, so this is our first part. So let's see what this first part is telling us. जब नमक का नया विभाग बना और ईश्वर प्रदत्त। Okay, so the first paragraph usually talks about how the black marketing takes place. So there was a time when नमक का धंधा यानी salt का business was started, and here at this time there were some people who were doing their business honestly, but mostly there were people who wanted to do it in black, in wrong ways. So sometimes to do their things, to do their wrong things, to fulfill their wrong desires, people would use chalaki, means their cleverness, or they would use घूसखोरी. घूसखोरी means giving rishwat or giving money. अधिकारियों के पौ बाहर थे, पौ बाहर थे. So this पौ बाहर थे is a मुहावरा which is given in your textbook. मतलब बहुत लाभ होना, अधिकारियों का बहुत लाभ होना. अब लाभ क्यों हो रहा है? Because they are taking रिश्वत from the people. That's why they are getting extra money. So that's why you say उनके पौ बाहर थे. But so this is a मुहावरा and please underline it. पटवागिरी के सर्वसम्मानित पर छोड़कर लोग इस बदंगर्जी कर रहे थे, विभाग की बदंगर्जी कर रहे थे. Means what happened, people had big positions, but even people were ready to live up that position and come to this position of becoming this namak ka daroga. You know why? Because here they can take a lot of rishwat, because there were most people who were doing this secretly. इसके दरोगा पद के लिए वकीलों का भी जी ललचाता था. This was so tempting that even lawyers wanted to get this position. यह वह समय था जब अंग्रेजी शिक्षा, so this was that time, okay, where studying English was a very good thing and all that. Okay, so now you will ask me that these people, were they even qualified to take this positions? Like we see that here there is a daroga wala pad which is taken by Munshi Vanshidhar. So here the honest person I told you about in the beginning is Munshi Vanshidhar. Please remember the name with the proper spelling, because in any answer you have to specify this name. Munshi Premchand. Sorry, Vanshidhar. Munshi Vanshidhar. Munshi Vanshidhar. Okay. So now who was given this position of Namak Ka Daroga? It was Munshi Vanshidhar. Now, can you tell me what qualifications did Munshi Vanshidhar have to become this policeman? Did he crack UPSC or something? No, he did not. So what did he read? This is a very bit funny. Prem ki kathaएं means love stories. So here you can see that he has read different love stories. Now you will नाल और नील की लड़ाई, then whatever, रोजगार पर निकले. So this was that time, you know. Maybe your grandfathers will tell you that once upon a time there was a time that even if you were a science BSc student, you could get a big job in a big bank manager or something like that. You didn't have to answer banking exam. There were no big exams. And even if you were 10th standard pass also, you would get a good job, a very qualified. It was considered to be a good qualification. People would repeat and sit for improvement exam in the 10th standard again and again. And just completing the 10th standard was enough. You didn't have to get very good marks. So this story is about that time. So these people, they didn't have qualifications. They are just reading love stories and whatever they like, and they are going to find job. रोजगार मतलब job. रोजगार की खोज में निकले थे. So now he is in the search of a job. उनके पिता एक अनुभवी पुरुष थे. So his dad is an experienced man. समझाने लगे. So now he is trying to tell the son, because now his son is going for work. He is becoming big. So he is telling him some advice. घर की दुर्दशा देख रहे हो? कैन यू सी द बैड कंडीशन ऑफ आवर होम? ऋण के बोझ से दबे हुए हैं. वी आर इन द बर्डन ऑफ लोन. लड़कियां हैं, गर्ल्स आर देयर हु आर ऑफ द मैरिजेबल एज. वे घास वे घास फूस की तरह बढ़ती चली जा रही है. They are just becoming big. They don't have any direction. I mean, they should have at least got married and they would have a family and they would have some work or some occupation. But they are just wasting their youth because we don't have enough money to get them married and we are there in the burden of loan. मैं कगारे पर का वृक्ष हूँ, मतलब I am become old. This is also a muhavra. Please see that you underline it and learn the muhavra from back page. So I am also becoming old. अब तुम ही घर के मालिक मुख्तर हो. Now you all are the head and you are the captain of our family. नौकरी में औहदे की ओर ध्यान मत देना. Don't look at the position or big qualification when you search of the job. यह तो पीर का मज़र है. निगाह चढ़ावे और चादर पर रखनी चाहिए. So you should always concentrate on what you are getting. What चढ़ावा यानी what extra money you are getting. ऐसा काम ढूंढना जहाँ ऊपरी कमाई हो, मतलब here you can get some रिश्वत. You must search that type of a job. मासिक वेतन तो पूर्ण मासिक का चांद है जो एक दिन दिखाई देता है और घटते घटते लुप्त हो जाता है. ऊपरी आय बहुत बहता हुआ सूत्र है जिससे सदैव प्याज पूछती है. So what he is saying is that your regular salary can get over early, but when you get रिश्वत, you get a lot of रिश्वत. So that's enough for you. वेतन मनुष्य देता है, इसी से उसमें बुद्धि नहीं होती. ऊपरी आमदनी ईश्वर देता है. So now he is misguiding his son. He is saying that ऊपरी कमाई is given by God. इसी से उनकी बरकत होती है. तुम स्वयं विद्वान हो. तुम्हें क्या समझाओ? What should I tell you? इस विषय में विवेक की बड़ी आवश्यकता है. मनुष्य को देखो, उसकी आवश्यकता को देखो. See whichever person is there, look at that person and look how much he is in need. Look at the opportunity and उसके उपरांत जो उचित समझे करो. And when you find the right opportunity, you take advantage of it. गजल वाले आदमी के साथ कठोरता करने में लाभ ही लाभ है, लेकिन बेगरज के दाव पर पाना जाना कठिन है. इन बातों की निगाह में बांध लो. यह मेरी जन्म भर की कमाई है. So now he is giving all this long advice to his son that how to earn money by extra corruption and all that. Okay. इस उपदेश के बाद पिताजी ने आशीर्वाद दिया. So now he is giving blessing to his son. वंशीधर आज्ञाकारी पुत्र थे. He was एकदम perfect बेटा. He would listen to everything his father told him. ये बातें ध्यान से सुनी और तब घर से चल पड़े. इस विस्तृत संसार में उनके लिए धैर्य अपना मित्र, बुद्धि अपनी प्रदर्शक और आत्मलंबन ही अपना सहायक था. लेकिन अच्छे शगुन से चले थे. जाते ही जाते नमक विभाग के दरोगा पद पर प्रतिष्ठित हो गए. So once he was searching for a job, very soon he got this नमक का दरोगा वाला जॉब. वेतन अच्छा और ऊपरी आय का तो ठिकाना ही न था. So here when you are in a police job, if you consider old time, you used to get a good money, a very fixed job. But here plus he is getting extra rishwat, and this rishwat is lot. बुद्ध मंशु जी को सुख संवाद मिला तो फूले ना समाए. So this is also a मुहावरा. महज कुछ नरम पड़े, कलवाकर की आशा लहराई, पड़ोसियों के हृदय में शूल उठने लगे. So now as always, like just when you get good marks in your exam, your relatives and your rishtedar are the first one to have something burning inside them. So here also we can see that this is a time when there is a lot of craze for good naukri and all that, and here Munshi Vanshidhar gets a good job, so people are actually jealous of him. Okay, so we have finished with the part 1, then part 2 will start next time. Thanks for watching the video. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Please share my channel with your friends because my channel is not growing. Thank you.